I'm actually really thrilled to be working with Solarize Carrboro. Self-help has been in North Carolina for over 30 years, and we've done all sorts of different things. And we have, in the recent years, started growing our consumer products, including retail services, and so having a chance to work with Pat and learn from Admiral Bank and combine that with the community mission focus that self-help brings to the table is a real pleasure. So let me give you a brief tour of self-help. 30 years of mission impact, lots of words up there. We do all sorts of things from advocacy for fair financial practices at the federal level, all the way to rebuilding neighborhoods like Walltown and Durham. Last year we made a loan for a very large solar farm, so we feel like we've totally figured out utility scale solar, and we're really happy to be making those benefits available to consumers as well. We make large business loans. An example is Eastern Carolina Organics, where our energy lending enabled them to invest in LED lights and a really, really top-notch chiller for all that good-looking bok choy that you all buy at Weaver Street Market. We're a real estate developer. The Maureen Joy Charter School in East Durham benefited both from our mission focus, because nobody would take on this project. This project was insane. And now it's the home of a charter school that serves low-income kids. So I say all of this to put in context what we're trying to do at Self-Help. We do a bunch of stuff on our own operations. And now we're here to offer a parallel path product to the consumer solar. We've sliced and diced the numbers. We think that the Admiral product is excellent for a lot of people. For people who have perhaps a slightly spottier credit history, not so hot credit score, our product seems to fit in better there. And usually when I get to this point in the evening at a Solarize presentation, people's eyes are glazing over. There's a lot of information. Most people want to think about the cool stuff, which is the panels on the roof, how happy you're going to feel about reducing your carbon footprint, maybe how much you're going to get to show off at the neighborhood potluck, whatever it is, and talking about how you're going to pay for it ends up feeling kind of like a big downer. So let me say only this, which is people make financial decisions a lot of different ways. If you are a 3-spreadsheet kind of person, then you're going to call Pat, and you're going to get monthly payments and fees, and you're going to call whoever's got your mortgage, and you're going to find out how much a home equity line of credit would cost you, and you're going to call Self-Help, you're going to call Jacob Braun, whose number is on the next slide, and you're going to find out how much fees and monthly payments would be from us, and you'll tally it up over the likely length of the loan, and then you'll scratch your head for a while and make a decision. If that sounds like you'd rather have major surgery without anesthesia, then maybe you'll make 2 calls, right? You'll call Pat and say, what would my monthly payments be? Or you'll work with the installers, and you'll call Jacob and say, what would my monthly payments be? And you'll get a short answer, and you'll make either flip a coin or make a decision based on that. Overall, I'm a big fan of solar. I think it's a great investment. I don't think it matters that much how you do it. Make a choice that makes sense to you. This is my contact information. I lied, that is not Jacob Braun's email address there, but write down mine. And I will give you his phone number. And our closest retail branch is in Durham. We also have one in Greensboro. We would do most of this conversation over the phone and by email, and then just have you come into the branch to actually close the loan. One other thing I did want to say, make sure I got that, is when we would write you the loan based on the full price of the system. When your tax credits come in, again, you'll call Jacob, repay the part of the loan that your tax credits came back, provided to you, and then we just recalculate your monthly payments. So same general idea, the ability to repay your loan, and the ability to pull down those tax credits while they're still available from the federal government.